Internet business opportunities in Nigeria 2021. Hello guys, what's up? It's Mike Erumaka here, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my top internet business opportunities. And these are businesses that you can start and start making money from the internet right here in Nigeria. So please guys, don't forget to hit on the subscribe button while we dive right into today's video. Let's go. Now the first internet business opportunity I'll be sharing with you is to start an SEO agency. What does an SEO agency do? An SEO agency basically helps business owners to rank their website on Google. There are lots of business owners who build websites right here in Nigeria, but their website is not actually bringing in traffic apart from them running paid advertising on Facebook. We can basically help them to get in free traffic to their website by just helping them to rank their website on Google. Now, SEO agency is not really popularized in Nigeria, but in other parts of the world, an SEO agency is a real business, and I feel that this is a business opportunity, an internet business opportunity that is quite untapped in Nigeria. And if you take action after watching this video, you can actually make good money offering SEO services to business owners. The second internet business opportunity is to be an affiliate marketer. As an affiliate marketer, basically you're helping business owners promote their product on the internet just to earn a commission. I know you guys watching this video right now, probably you know what affiliate marketing is or who an affiliate marketer is, and yeah, maybe I've already done affiliate marketing and you have not made money. But the truth is that probably you are applying the wrong strategy. That's just the truth. The best way to make money from affiliate marketing is either leveraging on Google advertising, or you can design a website and rank that website, or recommending products to business owners or whoever your niche is. Rank your website on Google and actually make a killing. Or you can decide to create a sales funnel and start running paid advertising, and you can make good money from it. I know it sounds easy when saying it, but the truth is that when you start applying the knowledge when it comes to affiliate marketing, it might get complicated. And that's why I would recommend the best affiliate marketing course to you on daba.school. I took the affiliate marketing course, and it's like it's value packed, and I recommend it to anyone who's looking at getting into affiliate marketing. The link will be in the description. Now, the number one affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria is Expertnaire. So if you're looking at just getting into affiliate marketing, you can sign up on Expertnaire. The link will also be in the description, and get started. It's just 10,000 naira, and you start promoting digital products on the internet and start making good money. There are lots of millionaires that Expertnaire have produced, and it could be one of them. The third internet business opportunity I'll be talking about is cryptocurrency trading. All of us have been hearing about crypto. Last just few days ago, there was this particular coin called Dogecoin that the thing was very, very bullish, and lots of people made good money from it. Now, crypto trading is actually a new thing, and personally, I don't do. I receive most of my payment from my clients outside the country from with cryptocurrency, and I don't trade actually, but I feel that this is like I have a friend that's actually making money trading crypto, so that's why I put it in this particular video as an internet opportunity. And I believe you can, if you put in the effort and learn how to trade crypto, you can actually make a claim from it. You could make good money from it. So cryptocurrency trading is quite untapped. It's something that you could cash out from and make money from the internet. Now, my fourth internet business opportunity in Nigeria is information marketing. There are lots of millionaires that have been produced from information marketing. I personally, I made my first internet money from information marketing. I created an information product, promoted it on the internet, and actually made money from it. And the best way, I don't know you that is watching this video right now, I know you have a knowledge of something. Like, you can basically package that knowledge you have in your head into an ebook and make money from it on the internet. You can leverage on Facebook advertising, Google advertising, YouTube advertising to actually make money doing information marketing. There are top information marketers in Nigeria like Ronald Nzumora, Tony Omoto Show. These are the guys that are like, they have made huge millions of naira doing information marketing and making money from the internet. And this is one of the fastest way to make money from the internet. The next internet business opportunity I'm talking about is dropshipping. Now, dropshipping might be complicated if you don't have money, but it's actually a good way to make money from the internet. But I recommend that you have some good capital if you intend to make money from dropshipping, because it's quite complicated. So I recommend you have good capital if you intend to get into dropshipping. But if you don't know what dropshipping is, because I know someone here is watching this video might not know what dropshipping is. So dropshipping is basically, let me say, it's just e-commerce, but you don't need to have the product on your hands. So let me say you want to sell a phone. You can basically go to a store along the road that is selling, let me say, Samsung. You can take pictures of that Samsung and start promoting it on the internet. When someone orders that Samsung on the internet, you can now go to that shop and basically pick up the product and send it over to that person that ordered it. So dropshipping, you don't need to have the product in hand. That's why I love it, but it's quite complicated, but it's a good way to make money from the internet. The next internet business opportunity is blogging. I know people say blogging is oversaturated, but that's just pure lie. But you have to be able to do proper research if you want to actually make money from blogging. You need to do proper research. But blogging is a good way, because I personally have a website and I generate money. I make some money from blogging, like making my website rank on Google and bringing in traffic into my website. So blogging is actually a good way to make money from the internet. The next internet business opportunity is called drop servicing. Drop servicing is just like drop shipping, but this time around you're selling other people's services. So let me explain it in case you don't understand. So let me say you don't have graphic designing skill, but you want to make money from graphic designing. You can basically reach out to someone who knows how to do graphics and promote. You can come to the internet and start promoting, telling people that you know how to do graphics design. So when someone tells you to help them design a graphics and pays you, like, let me say 15,000 naira, you can go to that person that has a knowledge about graphics designer. You can go to that person that has knowledge about graphics designing, pay the person 5,000 naira. Remember, the person that ordered for the graphics design paid you 20,000 naira. You can pay that person that has a skill 5,000 naira. He designs a graphic for you, and you now send it over to that person that paid you 20,000 naira for graphics designing, and you now basically make 15,000 naira. I personally, I made good money doing drop servicing, and this is one of the fastest way to make money from the internet. I still make money from it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you on my next video. Bye bye.